You have to lose weight, Tara, the doctor had said it. Dangerously close to type 2 diabetes. We'd tried everything over the years. Everything you can do to lose weight that doesn't involve strenuous exercise. No matter how hard we tried, no matter how much money we wasted, no matter how many nutritionists and specialists we saw, nothing worked. These extreme diets were putting her body into shock mode, causing her to have uncontrollable cravings that had her raiding the fridge in the middle of the night and sneaking bags of Hershey Kisses. To discover the truth about the real cause of weight gain and how to stay lean and fit in your 40s, 50s, and beyond, even if you can't or just don't want to exercise. I was working SWAT at the time, rushing to the most dangerous situations in the city, putting my life on the line each and every day. An armed suspect was holding hostages at the top floor of a 20-story building. My job was to lead a team as we rappelled down the side of the building in full gear and hit the guy before he knew what was happening. We waited for the signal and then rappelled just over the side of the building, our lives literally hanging from one single rappel line. We broke the top 3 windows with a crash and tossed 3 OC pepper spray grenades to subdue everyone inside. Just as we were about to enter the building, a massive gust of wind blew a cloud of pepper spray right back in our faces. I felt like my body was on fire inside. I could practically feel the heat radiating off me like a furnace. And that's when it hit me. I already knew that oleoresin capsaicin, the OC used in pepper spray grenades, could rapidly raise your body temperature. But was it possible that it could actually burn away my wife's belly fat without exercise? All of a sudden, you're burning a ton of fat without moving a muscle, losing weight while sitting on your butt and watching TV. I needed to find another spice that would have all the benefits of capsaicin, but could actually be ingested without making you feel like your eyeballs were going to burn through your skull. I broke down into tears when I found it, the holy grail spice that just might save my wife's life. A secret spice I can't reveal to you yet, that turned out to be the holy grail of weight loss we've been looking for decades, and that gave all the incredible benefits of capsaicin without any of the terrible and painful side effects. And eventually, I figured out the best and most delicious way to give Tara the potent spices she needed was by doing nothing harder than brewing her a cup of tea. It tasted kind of like cinnamon. I had to beg her to keep drinking it every day. She thought it was just another waste of time. But slowly, over the next week, something started to change. Her eyes got brighter. Her energy came roaring back. Even her hair seemed thicker, fuller, and shinier than it had. But the real shock came a week later when I finally convinced her to step on the scale, and the tears of joy that formed in her eyes when she saw she'd lost 11 pounds. The belly fat she'd been fighting for years and years shrink away to nothing. But with Tara's 3-week transformation, it was impossible to keep a secret. My buddy John was the first one to beg to try it out. He's a truck driver with a truck driver's belly. John texted me 4 days later, and I had to read the text 3 times to make sure it wasn't a mistake. "Todd, this is amazing," he said. "I'm already down 12 pounds, and the only exercise I've done is to get up and go to the fridge. Thank you." Next, Tara's sister got on the bandwagon. She'd been heavy her whole life and just thought it was the way she was supposed to be. But 3 weeks after trying this crazy new protocol of ours, she was fitting back into her jeans from high school. Our friends Peter and Stacy managed to drop a combined 11 pounds in 3 days, 7 for Peter and 4 for Stacy. Even better, Peter went on to lose a whopping 84 pounds over the next couple of months, completely transforming his life. And Stacy lost over 21 pounds from her petite body. The 21-day flat belly fix. I knew this program had to accomplish 3 things. First, it had to tell you the truth about exercise and weight loss that's been hidden from you your entire life by the greedy fat cats in the pharmaceutical and weight loss industries. Industries whose whole reason for being is to keep you fat and out of shape so you keep funneling mountains of cash into their already overstuffed pockets. Second, it had to be easy, as close to done for you as possible, so you never have to feel anxious about what to do, what the next step is for you if you're doing it right. And third, it had to be transformational. It had to give you stunning, almost frightening results in a shockingly short amount of time, so you can see that it works and feel the change in your body in just a few short days or weeks. Here we are, ready for you to finally get the flat belly and slim body you've been dreaming of, and which you deserve, without ever feeling like you're dieting or without ever stepping foot in a gym. The 21-day flat belly fix. When you enroll in the program, I'll give you immediate access to my secret fat-burning tea recipe. You'll learn the exact ratio of spices, tea, and other ingredients designed to massively boost your metabolism and turn your body into a white fat-destroying machine. In the 21-day Flat Belly Fix program, you'll learn how to elevate your levels of the master fat-burning hormone by 1,300% in women and 2,000% in men, so your body becomes a raging fat-burning furnace every night, burning away unwanted fat while you sleep without even having to set foot in a gym. The white fat fuel secret that forces your body to stop feasting on sugar as your primary energy source and has your body and cells gobbling up your white fat like pudding, so only your lean, beneficial brown fat remains. The thyroid accelerator technique anyone with at least a 4th grade education can use to turn your thyroid dial up to 11, almost automatically, dramatically increasing your rate of weight loss. How to turn back the clock on your skin so you have the same clear, vibrant skin you had as a teenager, even if you're decades past your prime and have smoked a pack a day for years. Sick of being tired and grumpy all the time? I'll teach you a simple dietary trick that reduces the depression chemicals in your brain almost instantly, leading to a dramatic improvement in your mood in just 1 or 2 days. Are you suffering from type 2 diabetes, or has your doctor warned you that you are pre-diabetic and need to take action now? You'll discover how to reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 33% by doing nothing more complicated than drinking this tea. What the satiety switch is, and how to flip the switch on your hunger so you never get the munchies or desire to cheat on your diet ever again. The insulin time machine method to completely reverse any level of insulin resistance. How to feed your libido with one cheap, abundant, and decidedly unsexy food. The real reason for boomerang dieting. Why you always seem to get fatter and less healthy after doing any kind of fad diet. And a method as easy as counting to 10 that almost guarantees you will never gain back the weight again. One simple trick you can use to increase your bone density without ever having to pick up even a light set of weights. How to reduce cancer-causing inflammation throughout your body without dangerous and expensive drugs. And much, much more. I bet you'd say $197 or more would be totally fair to feel happy and smile so wide that it makes your cheeks hurt every time you look in the mirror or run a hand along your belly because it's so flat and strong and tight, without ever doing anything that feels like exercise at all. I'm not going to ask you to invest $197. I'm not even going to ask you to pay $97, even though I know you'll agree that would be a steal. No, for you and for now, I'm going to do something a little bit crazy. For as long as this video is up, and not a moment longer, I'm going to set your price for the 21-day Flat Belly Fix at just one simple payment of $77. And if you act right now, I'll take money out of my own pocket and give you a whopping 60% off. Which means if you simply click the button below this video right now, you'll get the complete 21-day Flat Belly Fix program for the severely discounted price of just $37. I'm going to back up everything I've said with a frankly incredible 100% money-back guarantee. I've got 3 very special presents for you just for saying maybe to the 21-day Flat Belly Fix today. First, I'll give you my 7 minutes to a slim belly system. Your second present is your special collection of Flat Belly Fix done-for-you fat-burning smoothie recipes. Your third present is something special. In fact, I can't do this for everyone. It's called the Flat Belly Fix Elite Personal Coaching. 1 full month of personal coaching with me and my staff. But using your special discount, you'll get everything for just $37. Say yes right now. Simply click the button below this video, enter your payment information right now before life gets in the way, and claim your spot in the 21-day Flat Belly Fix program. Get every single thing I talked about in this video, and quite a few surprises I haven't even mentioned, but I can't wait for you to see. Thank you for your time. Simply click the button below now.